have to get out of the car, Gracie. Come on, you can't do this. You've been doing this for a while now. It's hot outside. You have to get out of the car. Okay? Come on, let's go. Gracie, come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Gracie, come on. Come on. Let's go. Come here, girl. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay, Gracie. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. I'm gonna leave the doors open, okay? Okay, I'll leave them open. I'm not gonna touch you. Look, you gotta get out of the car. Okay, I have to go to work. Gracie, get out of the car. Gracie, stop. I gave her some water earlier and she drank it. Gracie, come on. Come on, girl. There's her leash. I was trying to loop it around her neck, but she's been tearing my car up, running back and forth. There's something really wrong with her. I can't get a hold of animal control. Gracie, please. Please. I have to go to work, Gracie. Please get out. Come here. Come on. I got the bowl. I'll try to coax her out with some water next.